Hey guys, so today I want to make a very quick video because today we got some leaked pictures of what seems to be a phone called HTC One Max. Now, I don't have the phone, but it looks exactly the same as the HTC One, and like the One Mini on the front, it has stereo speakers and all those things on the front side. So I will see, maybe I can try to insert a picture in this video of the leaked picture of what could be the HTC One Max. Now, what is the HTC One Max? Well, the HTC One Max is just a big fat ass HTC One. Now the HTC One has a tiny display and I'm very disappointed about that. It only has a 4.7 inch display, which is a little bit boring. I want it bigger, I want the good stuff, okay? Because both Sony and Samsung has a 5-inch display on their flagship devices. So the rumor now is saying that this HTC One Max is going to come in September around the same time as like the new Galaxy Note phone, probably being called Galaxy Note 3. So the HTC One Max, what's so special about it? Well, the rumors are saying it's going to have a 5.9-inch display, which means that it's going to be just a little bit smaller than this big boy Galaxy Mega 6.3-inch smartphone. Yeah, it's a big boy, okay? It's a big boy. The good thing though with the Galaxy Mega is that it's pretty slim actually, compared to the Galaxy Note 2, which is 9.4 millimeters in thickness. This one is only 8 millimeters. So I really do hope that Samsung can pull something off where they produce a thinner Galaxy Note 3, but still with a little bit bigger display and also better battery. What is the rumors about the specs on the HTC One Max? Well, right now they're saying 5.9-inch display, of course 1080p resolution, and then a Snapdragon 800 chipset, which is the same as we should get in the next generation Galaxy Note phone, probably Galaxy Note 3 call. A quad-core 2.3 GHz Crate 400 processor is being rumored, so bumping it up again. Right now the highest quad-core is probably Samsung's Galaxy S4 with 1.9 GHz, so this one is a big step up. And also the Galaxy S4 and the HTC One is Crate 400. It's Crate 300, but this is rumored to be Crate 400, probably the same as the Galaxy Note 3, and also Adreno 330. Can I say that? 330. 330, Adreno 330 going up from Adreno 320 that we see in the S4 and also in the HTC One. So should be some better graphics, and also 2 GB RAM, 3300 milliamps, which should be come at no surprise because Samsung can pull in a 3100 milliamp battery inside of a Note 5.5-inch phone. So it's also being rumored to have the same kind of thickness as the Galaxy Note 2 has. In the Galaxy Note 2, it has a thickness of 9.4 millimeters. So that's about what we can expect from the next generation HTC One Max. And it's fun that Samsung, or that HTC is probably testing out to make a big phone. We just got Sony with their Xperia Z Ultra, which I think is a little bit too big. Don't quite remember if it was like 6.4 or 6.5 inch big. It must be 6.4, but the form factor of the device is making it so it feels super big compared to Samsung, which just made this device really slim and feels easy to hold. Also some rumor specs, of course, latest version of Android 4.3, Sense 5.5, 4 megapixel ultra pixel camera, same as in the HTC One probably. And rumors also right now saying that they're testing it out in China, and it's going to come on those 3 Chinese carriers, China Telecom and like China Mobile and some other carrier. Hopefully it will also come in Europe, and we will see if it's going to be a big seller. Do you want like something that looks like the HTC One but the big boy? Of course, the next generation Galaxy Note 3 is being rumored to have a 5.7-inch display, and I wouldn't actually be surprised if that's the case. That Samsung is bumping up with 2 inches for each Note variant. The first one had a 5.3-inch, the second 5.5, and now 5.7. It wouldn't come at no surprise if they pull that off. Also, rumors are saying they could pull off a 5.9-inch display, but it's probably more likely that they would go a little bit safe with a 5.7-inch display, which still would probably make it a little bit more slimmer to hold. And Samsung's track record of making, when they went from the first generation Galaxy Note to the Galaxy Note 2, they made Note 2 a little bit bigger in size, but they customized the buttons and everything to feel a lot better. So the Galaxy Note 3 is probably going to be an amazing device, which feels pretty slim compared to HTC, which is probably going to make the HTC One Max maybe a little bit bulky to hold. And also, if it's going to be a little bit bigger, I would say that it's more of a Galaxy Mega 6.3 inch competitor instead of a Galaxy Note 3 competitor. But yeah, we'll see about that and what's going to happen in September. I mean, we have a lot of guys coming up, Apple with maybe 2 new iPhones, a cheap budget iPhone, maybe called the iPhone 5C, and then an iPhone to replace the iPhone 5, maybe an iPhone 6. We have no idea, but it's going to be fun. Peace out.